In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to connect Alibaba to Shopify, an essential technique for anyone looking to streamline their e-commerce operations. So, let's begin this engaging journey into digital marketing. At the outset, you need to get your hands on the Alibaba dropshipping app. You can do that by navigating to the settings of your Shopify admin panel. Once you're in the settings, look for a section titled Apps and Channels. Click on it, and you'll be presented with a variety of options. But for now, our goal is focused. We want to customize your store with the Alibaba.com portal in place. In the search bar, type in Alibaba.com, and results will populate the screen. Your eyes should be lingering around for the official Dropshipping on Alibaba.com app. That's the gold we are mining for. Once you find it, don't hesitate to click on the Add App option. Just like that, you've installed the app on your Shopify platform. Now, there's a fairly slim chance that you might be automatically taken to a page where you can sign in or possibly create an account on the Alibaba dropshipping portal. You've got to follow all of the instructions there. Pay utmost attention to the step where you'll need to connect your Shopify store by adding your Shopify store's URL to the Alibaba site. You can't run away from the pop-up that might appear next. It's a prompt to authorize the app to handle both products and orders for your store. Acknowledge this by offering the necessary permissions because you're delegating a significant responsibility to this app. You've given the app the mandate, and it will prove its worth when it accomplishes the task assigned. You will know that everything has worked smoothly when your Shopify store pops up in the Alibaba Store Management section. That would be a sign that the connection was successful. By following the steps so far, you're not just playing with tech, you're setting up a streamlined process for managing an online store. You can now effortlessly search for products on Alibaba, select the best ones, add them to your import list, and push them directly to your Shopify store. But don't just list them right away. Spend a few minutes to make them more enticing. You'd want to tweak product details like titles and descriptions, and maybe adjust prices based on your strategy before they're ready to go live. Isn't this a massive leap in the e-commerce game? Now you have the power of two influential players in the e-commerce industry right at your fingertips, giving you a significant advantage over your competitors.